Welcome to the Wizard of Investment. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start investing with only $50 a month. Myth: you need a lot of money to start investing. This is a common myth, but it's simply not true. You can start investing with as little as $50 a month. In fact, there are a number of online brokers that allow you to invest with no minimum balance. How to invest with $50 a month? There are a few different ways to invest with $50 a month. Here are a few options. Index funds. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. This means that when you invest in an index fund, you're essentially investing in a basket of stocks that represent the entire market. Index funds are a great way to start investing because they're relatively low cost and have a proven track record of success. Individual stocks. You can also invest in individual stocks with $50 a month. This can be a bit more risky than investing in index funds, but it also has the potential for higher returns. If you're going to invest in individual stocks, it's important to do your research and choose stocks that you believe in. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are similar to index funds, but they're traded on exchanges like stocks. This means that you can buy and sell ETFs throughout the day, which can be a good option if you're looking to trade more actively. Choosing a broker. Once you've decided how you want to invest, you need to choose a broker. There are a number of different brokers out there, so it's important to compare them before you choose one. Some factors to consider include the fees charged by the broker, the types of investments offered, and the user interface. Do your research. No matter which way you choose to invest, it's important to do your research. Before you invest in anything, make sure you understand the risks involved. You should also read the prospectus for any investment you're considering. Conclusion: investing with $50 a month is a great way to start building your financial future. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, over time your investments will grow. So what are you waiting for? Start investing today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more investment tips. Remember to do your own research before investing. We are not financial advisors. If you want to learn more about how to start investing with $50 a month, check out my blog post on the topic. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.